This is a Mohawk product. It's a waterproof quarter round for wet protect. And what they have is a gasket here that's gonna sit down and seal that 3/8 gap you got there. It'll seal the edge right there real good. So if you can see that, it just covers that edge and seals it. So let's go ahead and install that. So you go ahead and get that piece in there, and what we have here is, if you have a long wall, you're gonna need to put a joint. You can take silicone and you seal the tube right here, the waterproof tubing, and put a little bead up on top here. Just like that. It could go big. You can clean it after. Squish all that out. And then what you got here is a little excess. Just wipe it off. And that's a fully waterproof product right there. Now that's perfect.